Hello, this is a video for everyone that asks me where to find the Aspec kit for their car, like the body kit for it, the underbody kit for their car, or whatever. So right now I'm looking at a 2008 Acura TL. I'm on AcuraPartsForLess.com. This is an Acura dealership in Jersey that I order a lot of parts from. The number is 377-4407. So right now I'm looking up a 2008 Acura TL sedan to Type S. So you scroll down to front under spoiler, and it shows you the under spoilers here. This is the Type S Aspec kit. So you just you see these right here, like the ones with no numbers, no price next to it. That means that they're sold out and they don't carry them anymore. So this part was discontinued in the silver, so they no longer have that, but they do have it in the blue. See, they're showing you that this is the part number for it. It comes fully painted. It's $232.16, but they're gonna charge you a shipping price. It's gonna be a shipping price also. And this is the front, and then you scroll over to the second row and you go down the rear under spoiler. So the rear under spoiler, this is the rear under spoiler that sits in the back of the Type S. It's $231. It's showing here that the silver is out of stock. They don't have it in silver. They don't have it in red either. But they do have it in blue. The rear Type S spoiler that sits in the back. That's what it is. It sits right there. So they do have them in stock. The Acura dealers, they do have them in stock. So now I'm gonna look at the 2004 to 2006 Acura TLs. So now I'm gonna scroll down to, right now I'm looking at 2005, my year. So I'm gonna scroll down to front under spoiler, and it'll show you all the pieces, and it'll show you the under spoiler. This is the under spoiler lip that I have in the front of my car. So right now it's showing that they have all the colors for the TL. They have all the colors except the desert. They don't carry that color anymore. But they have the satin silver metallic, the deep green pearl, the Nighthawk black pearl. They have all of them. All of them are in stock. The shipping is probably gonna be like $100, so it'll bring it up more, but it's in stock. So if you're looking for the rear spoiler, that's the front, and then you go to the rear under spoiler. This is the rear under spoiler that it has here for the Acura TL. It has anthracite metallic, deep green pearl. They don't have ruby red pearl. They discontinued that. Desert metallic, they discontinued that, but they do. If you don't see like a color here, just click on it and it'll tell you what color it is here or whatever. It should show you what color, but it's not. This is anthracite metallic. This is the one that I have. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.